Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Harleen Dindona, an ICCRC approved consultant. My company's name is Next World Canada Immigration Consulting Inc. and we are located in Ontario, Canada. Today we will be discussing a very important topic of reuniting families. Today's topic is spousal sponsorship. This is a very important topic or program for a lot of applicants. Before we start, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I regularly post videos on YouTube about Canadian immigration news and updates. Please make sure to press the bell icon as well to get a notification about all the latest updates. So let's start with the requirements of the program. To understand the program better, we must first understand who is eligible to sponsor their spouse. You can sponsor your spouse, partner, or dependent child if you are at least 18 years old. The second condition is that you must be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident of Canada living in Canada. The third condition is that you should not be receiving social assistance for reasons other than a disability. The fourth condition is that you can provide for the basic needs of any persons you want to sponsor. To become a sponsor, you must promise to financially take care of the persons you are sponsoring for a period of time. For sponsoring spouses, this period is of 3 years. In most cases, there isn't an income requirement to sponsor your spouse or partner or dependent child. You only need to show that you have enough money to meet the income requirements if you are sponsoring a dependent child that has one or more dependent children of their own, or you are sponsoring a spouse or partner that has a dependent child and their dependent child has one or more children of their own. Now, coming to those conditions which makes anyone ineligible for sponsoring their spouse. You can't sponsor your spouse, partner, or child if you are less than 18 years old, or you won't live in Canada when the persons you want to sponsor become permanent residents, or you are not a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident of Canada, or if you are a temporary resident, that is, you are visiting, studying, or working in Canada on a visa or permit, or if your permanent residence application is still in process, or you don't have enough money to support the persons you want to sponsor. Also, you may not be eligible to sponsor your spouse or partner if you were sponsored by a spouse or partner and you became a permanent resident less than 5 years ago, or if you are still financially responsible for a previous spouse or partner that you sponsored. This means you are still bound by the 3-year undertaking to take care of this person. Also, you may not be eligible to sponsor your spouse, partner, or child if you have already applied to sponsor the spouse, parent, or child you are currently seeking to sponsor and a decision on that application hasn't been made, or if you are in jail or a prison, or if you do not pay back an immigration loan or a performance bond or a court-ordered family support payments such as child support, or you did not give the financial support you agreed to when you signed a sponsorship agreement to sponsor someone else in the past, or if you declared bankruptcy and are not discharged, or if you receive social assistance for a reason other than a disability, or if you were convicted of attempting, threatening to commit, or committing a violent criminal offense, any offense against a relative, or any sexual offense inside or outside Canada, or if you can't legally stay in Canada and must leave the country because you received a removal order. Now, the next subtopic to discuss is who you can sponsor. So, you can sponsor your spouse, common law partner, conjugal partner, or dependent children. Your spouse can be of either sex and must be legally married to you and at least 18 years old. Children qualify as dependents if they are under 22 years old and they don't have a spouse or common law partner. Last but not the least, you can't sponsor someone who is inadmissible to Canada. If you want to know more about this program or any other program for Canada, you can email me at the email address shown on your screen, and our office will be more than happy to assist you. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates about Canadian immigration. I will very soon post new videos about Canadian immigration. Till then, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Thank you.